In this video, we will correct a common error when using the Vlookup function. Here we have two datasets. The first dataset contains Lego collection information, ID, name, year, and theme. We're just missing the number of pieces. And then on the second sheet, we're given the number of pieces, but we only have the ID with it. So we're going to start by using the Vlookup function to bring in the number of pieces to the first sheet. So in V3, we'll start with equals Vlookup, open our parentheses, and then A3, comma, and then we'll select our data on our second sheet. So the number of pieces sheet, we're going to select our data. And then after we select our data, we'll input comma 2, comma false, close parentheses, hit enter. And then we'll drag our formula down to populate all the rows, give our system just a little bit of time to catch up and generate the information for each row. And once the data generates, we will notice that we have an error on row 8 right away. And we want to see if we have any more errors in the data or just one. So we're going to filter our data on column B and see if there's any additional errors. And after we filter, we notice that we do have several errors in the data. So this is very common when using Vlookup. The issue here is the data array that's being selected is moving. So if we go back to our original formula, we can see that the original selection started with A2, and then the next row is moving to A3, and then the next one is moving to A4. So in the number of pieces sheet, the array that's been selected is moving. The simple correction for this is just to put dollar signs before the A, before the 2, before the B, before the 1, and that will keep our array locked in, static. And now we drag our new formula down. We'll notice that the errors go away, just give our system a little bit of time to catch up. And then we'll double check our work using the filter again. We'll filter on column B, make sure there's no errors anywhere in the data. And we'll see that there are no errors. And that's it. We're done. Error corrected.